Hello, in front of me I've got Haier HD90. In this video I'll show you how to remove or add laundry during the process. Firstly, make sure that your dryer is running on, and once it's running, simply open the doors. The process will stop. Now you can add or remove laundry, but be careful because during the whole process the whole tub can be very hot, so there's a danger of burnt. After that, simply close the doors, press play pause button, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.